So right now, for those of you that are watching this later, we are live on Twitch. If you can't tell from, well, other hand, if you can't tell from the chat that's going right now, we have 176 of our friends watching. And today, I am going to be unboxing my silver play button from YouTube that just got here yesterday. And I actually had to hold off for a day and it was kind of hard. To be honest, I didn't think when I got this was going to be a big deal. I thought it was just going to be like, yeah, okay, cool, whatever. But the closer it got to this point at 100K, I did start getting excited because I did realize it. This is really cool. This is a super cool accomplishment. It tells me that I've been doing something right. And I've seen other people be like, yeah, well, it was kind of easy because you're doing music reactions. And I mean, let's be honest, there's some fucking truth to that for sure. But I feel like I've got decent enough content and we've built a great community around here. So we're going to celebrate 100K today. Before I do this though, I feel like it should be worth mentioning that, at least to me, in my opinion, this play button is just as much for you guys as it is for me. Because without all of you guys watching and being a part of this community, I would have never gotten one of these to begin with. And in all honesty, the community is my favorite thing about this entire YouTube adventure. We have tons of regular faces and premieres. We have a Discord server that's full of amazing people that hang out, and we've made friends all over the world, and I absolutely love it. There's a shitload of people to thank for this, and there's so many that I don't want to single people out, but I will thank all of the administrators and moderators on our Discord server. Without you guys, the thing would probably suck because I don't know what I'm doing with any of it. The people that helped me really early on, thank you. There are a handful of YouTubers that I am very close with. I feel like I should have to thank Elizabeth, the charismatic voice, Chase Carnison, Mark from Cardivox Academy, Julia Nyland. Like, they've made this journey easier, if that makes sense. We've been able to vent to each other about stuff. But all of you guys, man, thank you so much. It's just wild. I don't know what else to say. So let's just get into it. Let's unbox this thing. And you can probably hear Ingrid screaming in the background right now. She's excited too. Oh my God, there's too much tape. Ooh, fancy. Oh, I got a letter. We got a letter. Let's read the letter. Oh, that is, oh, I just saw it. So I got a letter from YouTube. Just how far have you come? If each of your subscribers were a light year, they could take you from one side of the Milky Way to the other. That's far. Wait, really? 100,000 light years? That's pretty cool. Basically, it's just a big congratulations, and it's actually really cool. So, let's move on here. This is sick. I'm not going to lie. I wasn't expecting to be this excited about this, but this is pretty damn cool. Boom. Oh, and it's mirrored. Let me get it out of the light so you can actually see it. Silver play button, 100,000 subscribers, TankTheTech. Holy shit, thank you guys very much. The other thing that I should probably do right now, this is like an award show speech. The other thing I should probably do right now is also thank every band I've done a reaction to and all of their labels as well. There are some awesome labels out there that I've made, you know, good friendships with and have gotten to know people, and it's been fun, man. But thank you guys very much once again. I'm going to get back to the Twitch chat here and get back into some more live reactions. And if you do want to check out some of these reaction streams and other stuff I do on Twitch, you can find me on twitch.tv/TankTheTech. I'm also on a ton of different social media. But thank you guys very much once again for this. Hopefully we get many more, but we'll see. It's going to be a big, long journey, and I hope you're here with me for it.